Namaskar, welcome back to BST News. This is Jayashita Reddy from Telangana State. Let's have a quick look on headlines. An initiative, Plastic Tide Turner Level, Hero Level will be introduced soon. World Environment Day is celebrated all over India by the members of the Bharat Scouts and Guides. Honorable Education Minister of Assam, Dr. Ranoj Pegu, inaugurated the national level program I Am a Global Citizen, a series of webinars on sustainable development goals on 7th of June 2021. YAS relief services are rendered by the members of the Bharat Scouts and Guides. Heroes of the Bharat Scouts and Guides are rendering COVID barrier services. Scouts, Guides and state officials of Meghalaya State deputed to assist in the office of the District Disaster Management Authority. COVID-19 vaccination camp was organized for the Scouts and Guides by the Bharat Scouts and Guides, Tripura State. Virtual refresher course for guide captains organized by Mizoram State Bharat Scouts and Guides. News in brief. Exciting news for the young people. After a huge and positive response from the young members of BSG on Plastic Tide Turner Challenge, BSG India is launching Hero Level of Tide Turners Plastic Challenge under the leadership of Mrs. Darshana Pavaskar, Joint Director of Guides, Program and Training. National News. World Environment Day is celebrated annually on 5th June since 1974 and is United Nations' principal vehicle for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of the environment. Members of the Bharat Scouts and Guides observed World Environment Day with this year's theme, Ecosystem Restoration. Bharat Scouts and Guides Madhya Pradesh launched Vayu Mitra scheme on the occasion of World Environment Day and planted saplings of fruits and medicinal plants at State Training Center, Gandhinagar, Bhopal. Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a webinar Ecology on Environment on 5th June 2021. The virtual gathering was inaugurated by Dr. Kali Prasad Mishra, National Vice President, and Dr. Jai Krishna Panigrahi, State Chief Commissioner of Odisha. S.J. Parvat Mohan Dash, educationalist and environmentalist, were the resource speakers of this webinar. Bharat Scouts and Guides Madhya Pradesh celebrated Environment Day by planting saplings on the theme of Lack of Oxygen. Plantation program was organized at Government Secondary School, Bhimnagar, Naveen Bhavan. The MLA, Mr. Sanju Singh Kushwaha, District Collector Dr. Satish Kumar, District Police Superintendent Shri Manoj Kumar Singh were the chief guests. They blessed the program by planting the saplings. World Environment Day was observed by the members of Eastern Railway, South Eastern Railway, East Central Railway and Jharkhand State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 5th June 2021. Major social awareness drive like poster making, essay writing and tree plantation program was organized. Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides successfully organized a tree plantation program on the occasion of World Environment Day on 5th June 2021, which was hosted by Araria District Association and inaugurated by Mr. Srinivas Kumar, State Secretary of Bihar State, in which Mr. Bablu Goswami, Assistant Director of Eastern Region, was present as chief guest. Virtual poster making was organized on the theme Ecosystem Restoration, and also tree plantation drive was taken. The program was coordinated by Mr. Baijnath Prasad, District Organizing Commissioner Scout, Messenger of Peace State Coordinator and OYMS State Coordinator. Like every year, the World Environment Day was celebrated by all the 9 states of the Northeast region. Although due to the lockdown situation, the Scouts and Guides could not get together physically in all the parts. The Scouts and Guides undertake various activities like tree plantation, poster making, drawing and painting, organized webinars in their local areas to aware people. They choose social media as one of the awareness tools for the awareness on how we can keep our environment safe. Uttar Pradesh Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a virtual meeting to spread awareness about the environment among the people in the society on the occasion of World Environment Day on 5th June 2021. Northern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides organized online painting competition on the occasion of World Environment Day on 5th June 2021. This competition was organized to bring awareness about the environment among the people in the society. In this competition, the painting of the members was to be made on ecosystem restoration. 162 members participated in this competition. Punjab State Association Bharat Scouts and Guides celebrated World Environment Day on 5th June 2021 at Guide House, Jalandhar. On the occasion of World Environment Day, a tree plantation was organized by the members of Haryana State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 5th June 2021. Northeastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides, a tree plantation program was organized by Gonda District Association on the occasion of World Environment Day on 5th June 2021. Bharat Scouts and Guides Uttarakhand State Headquarters organized a webinar on occasion of World Environment Day at state level on 5th June 2021. Tree plantation and awareness program was done by the members of organization in all the districts of Uttarakhand. Rovers and Rangers of Himachal Pradesh, Bharat Scouts and Guides, celebrated World Environment Day 2021 with the theme Ecosystem Restoration. They adopted more than 30 plants near their places. This action directly connects to the international theme Ecosystem Restoration and also to the program Scout Fights Against Corona 2.0 by the BSG-HP. Bharat Scouts and Guides District Association Indore have planted saplings of fruits on World Environment Day at Chiman Bagh Ground, Indore. Bharat Scouts and Guides District Association Ratlam has planted saplings of fruits on World Environment Day at Balchar Bhavan, Ratlam. Scouts and Guides of Government Higher Secondary School Alichhari planted saplings on the occasion of World Environment Day. Bharat Scouts and Guides District Association Devas has planted saplings of fruits on World Environment Day at District Training Center Jamgat, Government Nutan Higher Secondary School Devas, Government Middle School Katagan, Government Higher Secondary School Badian and Hatpipalya. Bharat Scouts and Guides District Association Devas has organized a virtual workshop on World Environment Day in which district officials, scouts, guides, rovers and rangers participated. On the occasion of World Environment Day, Bharat Scouts and Guides District Association Raipur has planted Maulshri, Neem, Karanj, Badam Sasam, Teak and Ashok trees in Government Higher Secondary School, Fundahat, Police Public, School Baron Bazar, District Education Officer Office Complex. Bharat Scouts and Guides District Association Janjgir Champa planted trees on the roadside on the occasion of World Environment Day and covered by the iron nets for its protection and also arranged water supply for irrigation of those plants. Bharat Scouts and Guides District Association Sikar has organized a cleanliness drive for 2 days to preserve historical Madhav Sagar Bada Talab, Sikar, Rajasthan. Bharat Scouts and Guides District Association Sikar has planted saplings at Rajiv Gandhi Samriti Van and arranged bird water and food feeder. Bharat Scouts and Guides Vadodara District celebrated World Environment Day virtually in which Forest Officer Nilesh Shah, SSCC Manoj Arora, SCS Rajesh Chowdhury, etc. were present. After that, 50 saplings planted by the members at their area. Bharat Scouts and Guides Carmona Goa celebrated the World Environment Day by preparing posters to create awareness about environment and significance, rendered service to clean waste from the property of their local area. Scouts and Guides of Jamiat Youth Club District Association BSG celebrated World Environment Day on 5th June 2021. Plantation program was organized in Himmatpur village, Tehsil, Garmukteshwar, UP by the members of Jamiat Youth Club District Association on 6th June 2021. On the occasion of World Environment Day, a tree plantation drive was done by North Central Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides Agra Division in District Training Center, Mathura on 5th June 2021, in which 20 saplings of Amaltas, Banyan, Kadamba, Arjun, Jamun were planted by scouts, guides, rovers and rangers. On the occasion of World Environment Day on 5th June 2021, North Central Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides Prayagraj District planted a tree in Railway Colony, Rail Village. Rovers and Rangers of Snowland Scouts and Guides Open Group of Himachal Pradesh, Bharat Scouts and Guides distributed medicinal plants door to door to the people, which were provided by the district administration Kullu to grow more and more trees in our environment and on the occasion of World Environment Day. The Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters has organized I Am a Global Citizen, a series of webinars on sustainable development goals at national level from 7th to 13th of June 2021 from 4 to 5 p.m. IST. The webinar was inaugurated by Dr. Ranoj Pegu, Honorable Education Minister of Assam, on 7th of June 2021 in the presence of BSG office bearers. The webinar was graced by NHQ office bearers and distinguished guest speakers from WOSM, WAGS, UNDP and other government and non-government agencies daily. Quiz and Voice of the Young People of BSG have been an attractive part of regular sessions. More than 2.5k viewers followed the webinar every day. Yas Relief Response. Rovers of 24th Ashok Group of West Bengal State Bharat Scouts and Guides rendered third phase Yas Relief Response service on 3rd June 2021 at Garomara Island area, where they have distributed relief materials which contain chira, muri, gur, biscuit, medicine and sanitary napkin, bleaching powder and water pouch to more than 200 families. Free medical checkup was also done for the students and guardians. To restore the area, they also planted 50 saplings in the island. Swamiji Rover Crew of West Bengal State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a community development project, Paas Hai Achi Sundarban, for Yas cyclone and high tide affected people of Sundarban, with the help of Howrah District Association, Service from Heart, Nishana Foundation. In this project, they have distributed relief materials to the people of Sundarban. Yas relief materials were distributed at Kumirmari area of North 24 PGS on 6th June by the members of Basirhat Local Association of West Bengal State Bharat Scouts and Guides. COVID news. Members of the Bharat Scouts and Guides are turning out to be the COVID warriors in this hour of COVID crisis. On 7th and 8th June 2021, members of Danapur district of East Central Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides distributed COVID kits to the healthcare workers. On 7th June 2021, 14 uniformed members of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides have started helping at vaccination center in Odisha. They are creating awareness about social distancing, distributing informative leaflets and sanitizers at vaccination center. In lieu of COVID lockdown in West Bengal, community kitchen is being run by Amra Kojan Scout Group of South 24 PGS Sadar Local Association on regular basis. They are distributing food to the local and needy people. Seth Bagan Kalindi Dishhari Scouts and Guides Group organized a free mask, food packets distribution to the poor and needy people of their locality and sanitization program for free of cost in Seth Bagan Post Office. 25 uniform members, scouts, guides, rovers with adult leaders attended above pandemic COVID-19 program. District Secretary of Bharat Scouts and Guides District Association Sagar has distributed raw food material to the needy people at Divisional Training Center, Gaurka Chopra, Panna. Bharat Scouts and Guides District Association Raipur has organized a vaccination awareness cycle rally on the occasion of World Cycle Day. Bharat Scouts and Guides Dadar Nagar Haveli has rendered service at vaccination center. A team of Scouts and Guides and state officials of Meghalaya State were deputed to assist in the office for the District Disaster Management Authority, Deputy Commissioner's Office, East Khasi Hills District, Meghalaya for COVID-19 duties. The duties assigned to them were to visit the quarantine centers, collection and maintaining data of the person under quarantine, and many more related works were assigned by the District Administration Authority. Tripura State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a vaccination camp for Scouts and Guides, Rovers and Rangers at West District YAS Office, Badar Ghat, Agartala. Total 70 doses of vaccine given as they are performing duties as frontline warriors during the pandemic period. Vaccination program started in presence of Shri Biplab Datta, Assistant Director YAS, Shri P. Mog, Deputy Director YAS, Shri Simul Das, Assistant Director, Shri Saroja Chakrabarti, Assistant Secretary, Sports Council, etc. Rovers and Rangers of Snowland Scouts and Guides Open Group Kullu BSG, Himachal Pradesh completed 25 successful days of service to make people aware about COVID-19 and curfew protocols in crowded places of Kullu in the second wave of COVID-19. Rovers and Rangers of Government College, District Mandi, BSG, Himachal Pradesh State, rendering their services in the different parts of the District Mandi on 4th June 2021. Bharat Scouts and Guides Chhattisgarh State has organized all-faith prayer and tree plantation drive at unit level in different schools. Bharat Scouts and Guides District Association Jodhpur, Rajasthan has celebrated World Ocean Day by making posters. Virtual refresher course for guide captains from 7th to 11th June 2021 organized by Mizoram State Bharat Scouts and Guides. The course was inaugurated by the State Chief Commissioner of Mizoram State, Shri Lal Sangliana. Upcoming events. To beat the COVID-19 fear and engage the members, BSG India is coming up with the number of virtual events in the coming days. Asia Pacific Regional Scout Photo Contest 2021. Refer NHQ Circular number 57. Cyclone Tauktae and Cyclone Yas appeal to help the affected states. For details, refer NHQ Circular number 64/2021 dated 26th May 2021. 42nd World Scout Conference virtually, applications invited for observers. For details, refer NHQ Circular number 65/2021 dated 27th May 2021. 27th Asia Pacific Regional Scout Conference, Taiwan. For details, refer NHQ Circular number 67/2021 dated 29th May 2021. 7th International Day of Yoga, Yoga Fest from 15th to 21st June 2021. For details, refer NHQ Circular number 69/2021 dated 4th June 2021. 18th Girl Scouts International E-Camp Korea from 1st to 20th August 2021. For details, refer NHQ Circular number 71/2021 dated 9th June 2021. This is all for today's news. Stay safe, stay home, get vaccinated on your turn. This is Jayashita Reddy from Telangana State signing off. Thank you.